Did you know that you can set WhatsApp as your primary calling app on iPhone? If you constantly use WhatsApp for calls, why not save time and have every call automatically routed through it? In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to set it up quickly and easily so that every call goes through WhatsApp. So, first, find and open Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the page, you'll see the Apps section. Tap on it. In the Apps section, you'll see a list of all installed apps on your phone, as well as an option at the top of the page called Default Apps. Tap on it. This section will allow you to change default apps for email, messages, and more. Look for the calling option, which should be the third from the top, and tap on it. Currently, the default calling app is set to Cellular. Just change this option to WhatsApp, and the app will become your default calling app on iPhone. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. If you want more similar WhatsApp tutorials like this one, be sure to check out the WhatsApp playlist in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and see you very soon.